Understanding, can we make amends? Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson on a very special phrase in English. Can we make amends? This phrase carries a lot of weight in conversations, especially those involving apologies or reconciliation. Today, we're going to dive deep into what it means, how to use it, and why it's so important in building and maintaining healthy relationships. So, let's get started. Make amends is a phrase that means to do something to correct a mistake or a bad situation that one has caused. This often involves apologizing to someone you have wronged and taking steps to repair the damage or hurt you've caused. It's about acknowledging your mistakes and actively seeking to improve the situation. When you ask, "Can we make amends?" you're essentially asking if it's possible to fix a broken situation or relationship. This question shows that you're willing to take responsibility for your actions and that you care about the other person's feelings and well-being. It's a powerful way to open up a dialogue about forgiveness and healing. Making amends is crucial because it helps to heal relationships. It shows you value the relationship and are willing to work towards fixing it. Foster forgiveness. It opens the door for the other person to forgive you, which is essential for moving past conflicts. Promote personal growth. Acknowledging your mistakes and learning from them is a key part of personal development. To make amends effectively, consider the following tips. Be sincere. Your apology should come from the heart, showing genuine remorse for your actions. Take responsibility. Clearly acknowledge your mistakes without making excuses. Offer a solution. Whenever possible, offer a way to make up for the harm you've caused. Be patient. Understand that the other person may need time to heal and forgive. Can we make amends? Is more than just a question. It's a step towards healing and rebuilding trust. By using this phrase sincerely and following through with your actions, you can mend fences and strengthen your relationships. Remember, making amends is not just about saying sorry, it's about showing that you are committed to making things right. We hope this lesson helps you navigate the delicate process of making amends and encourages you to maintain healthy, positive relationships. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.